M. Ay. Air bounces back. So if both air bounces back, proceed with the foreign body airway obstruction management or FBOM management. So please reactivate medical assistance and arrange transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm giving 30 chest compression. So I'll give you 30 chest compression. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mabilis ba? Dapat 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 30. So if obstruction is seen in the mouth, do the finger sweep and remove the obstruction, then give to IVM. So sweep the obstruction in the mouth through your finger and give